Group 17, boiling point, melting point and density. Ticks is He na Amir ka Xerox Rancho. So first is He. He means helium. Na for neon. Amir means argon. Ka for krypton. Xerox means xenon. Okay, and rancho. Main character is rancho, right? So rancho value will be high, so radon value will be high. So ticks is He na Amir ka Xerox Rancho. Okay, Amir ka Xerox Rancho. Okay, so helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and radon value will be high for boiling point, melting point and density.